Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what the HydroNozzle high pressure hose attachment is, what it offers, and how it works. So, let's get started. According to the official HydroNose website, the HydroNozzle high pressure hose attachment is a cleaning attachment that connects to a standard garden hose and is designed to help clean outdoor surfaces using a concentrated stream of water. The company says it can be used for tasks such as washing cars, patios, driveways, windows, fences, outdoor furniture, boats, and even garden equipment. According to the website, the hydro nozzle feature adjustments or adjustable spray patterns, allowing you to switch between a power jet spray for tougher dirt and wider fan spray for rinsing or more delicate cleaning jobs. The company also states that it's made with rust-resistant brace and aluminum component, which has a lightweight design for comfortable handling and fits more senders or most of the senders garden hoses, using of course the included connectors. Of course, also on the website, if you go to the top, you will find the reviews of other people on the hose. You'll find this try hydro nozzle if you want to go and buy it right now. And you'll find frequently asked questions as an example about the hose. If you have one of those questions, you can pause the video and read it all out. So I'm scrolling through them, through the questions, and you can also contact their support team if you have more of the questions that you can't find there. If you go to the bottom of the page, you'll find the contact option where you can contact them directly. So other than that, if you want to buy it right now, all you need to do just go and click on try HydroNozzle, click on buy now, and you'll be taken to another page. So from there, you'll have to enter your shipping details, your money or your payment information, and complete the order by following the on-screen instructions. According to the website, the products also includes a money-back guarantee with the exact guarantee period depending on the official store you're purchasing it from. But to buy it first, you'll have to choose which package you want. So there is one, two, three, depending on what you want. Then click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, as we said, you'll have to go through whatever we said. Of course, this is just an official retailer. You may find it at other stores. So depending on the store, some stores may offer some money back guarantees, some store may offer other things. So you'll have to check with the store that you're buying from. And as we said, if you have any questions before ordering, you can check the frequently asked questions or contact them by the provided section. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.